TSplus Remote Support is available in 11 languages, including English, Czech, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Hebrew, Simplified Chinese, Traditional Chinese. Easily overcome language barriers with TSplus Remote Support's new chat translation feature. With AI-powered translation, users can instantly translate chat messages into their OS region's language. By simply clicking the Translate Chat button, your conversations will be translated live. Support interactions become more productive and efficient, ensuring exceptional support experiences regardless of linguistic differences.